Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So most of us have been wanting a face cream that is like the expensive that we can use that actually works. So I'm going to show you two ingredients in the kitchen, two common ingredients that we can use to obtain this. And one of those ingredients is almond oil. The next one is turmeric. I actually made this one by myself. So if you want to see how I made it, please say so in the comment section. So we need a plate and a bowl for this. So you mix as you want. If it's too much, you can actually preserve it in the refrigerator, like you can use the next day. You can do this a 7 days treatment if you want to, or you can do this an everyday treatment. So you apply almond oil until the consistency is thick enough that you want. Then you can apply on your face. So the importance of almond oil is very good to the skin. It reduces the appearance of scars. It helps reverse sun damage. You know, we are very exposed to the sun ray here, so we have to treat, because some of our side and face is darker than the other because of the sunlight. So this is the product. I apply it all over my face now. So like I was saying, we are exposed to the sunlight. It makes some of our face darker than the other, and it treats dry skin. Even though I have oily skin, I like applying oils because it helps, like it makes your face glow. It improves complexion and skin problem. Like I said before, it helps in dark circles. Like if you have dark circle under your eyes, you can use turmeric, you can use almond oil for this. But the important, turmeric is very important. It has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory component, which helps for the skin to glow and have luster. Like the skin will have luster too. And it treats dark circles. It moisturizes the skin. It prevents early appearance of aging, like when your skin starts wrinkling and all that. Turmeric prevents that. And it banishes dark circles. Oh, I've said this before. I'm just revealing the importance of turmeric. I'm putting it on my eye area. This was actually a very bad idea, but since I always have dark circles, I was like, let me put it on my eye area, whether it will help. But it was like the oil were dripping into my eyes and it was so uncomfortable. So I won't advise it. So you leave it for 30 minutes. You let it stay for 30 minutes, then you go wash it out. Guys, you can see my skin just this once, and my skin is actually glowing. That shows the importance of turmeric to the skin. Imagine if I have done this. Imagine if you do this every night, or maybe you condition your mind to do it once every week. After that, you should apply coconut oil if you don't have turmeric. And this you can use coconut oil with turmeric. It's also good if you don't have almond oil, or almond oil is difficult for you to get where you are. So after washing the skin, you apply the almond oil or the coconut oil, whichever oils you have, to the skin. Like you can actually do every night after taking your bath. You apply oil before you sleep. It will actually help brighten the skin. So guys, this is all for today's video. Hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. Say something in the comment section. Until the next video, bye guys.